What is up mga kachaw? Another good day. And for today's reaction video, magre-react naman tayo sa nag-viral na post ng isang PhilHealth member. Actually, asawa to ng PhilHealth member na nag-contribute for 25 years pero walang nakuwang benepisyo nung pumanaw sa ospital. Alamin natin yung buong istorya at yung sagot ng PhilHealth sa nag-viral na post na ito. Samahan niyo ako. Let's go! So yun na nga mga kachaw, no? A few days ago, si Maria Lourdes Sulit ay nag-post sa FB ng kanyang hinanakit sa nangyari sa kanyang asawa na 25 years lang naguhulog sa PhilHealth. Papakita ko at babasahin ko sa inyo yung key points at yung kanyang mismong hinanakit. By the way, ang intro niya at ang kanyang title is My Life in 2 Days, sabi niya. On June 4, 2026, my husband Marvin died from a brain hematoma. So yung member ay si Marvin, yung kanyang asawa na pumanaw dahil sa brain hematoma. We became part of the unfortunate family forced to chosen between life and death because we simply did not have millions of pesos for a life-saving operation. So yun yung kanyang entrada sa kanyang post. Pero ito yung medyo nakakalungkot na part. Basahin ko sa inyo ha. Ito yung medyo bandang gitna na. Sabi niya, at 12:29 a.m. on June 4, Marvin passed away. He was admitted at around 5:39 a.m. A few hours later, after Marvin was brought to the morgue, I went to the billing section at around 6 a.m. to request a copy of our hospital bill. In less than 24 hours, the charges has already reached approximately 200,000 pesos. I then went to PhilHealth, hoping to receive assistance and reduce the burden of the bill. To my shock, I was told that my husband was not eligible for PhilHealth benefits because he had been hospitalized for less than 24 hours. Grabe. So, tatagalugin ko para mas maintindihan. Namatay kasi yung kanyang asawang si Marvin at na-hospitalize wala pang 24 hours. So, sabi daw ng PhilHealth sa kanila, hindi daw siya eligible for the benefit. Naku. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na may ganitong patakaran pala si PhilHealth, no? Ngayon, yung pinost ito ng may bahay nung Marvin, talagang nag-viral, ang daming nag-share, ang daming nagalit sa PhilHealth. At after 2 days yata, sumagot naman yung PhilHealth. Ngayon, babasahin ko naman sa inyo yung sagot ng PhilHealth dito sa nag-viral na post na ito. Sabi naman ng PhilHealth, we are aware of the circulating post regarding a PhilHealth member who passed away while in the process of being transferred to and assessed to a receiving hospital. We empathize deeply with the family who lost a loved one. PhilHealth immediately mobilized upon learning of the incident to understand and address the situation. We have since reached out to the member's wife and have agreed on the next steps as we explore our revenues of support. We are likewise coordinating with the hospitals to understand the circumstances of the situation as part of our mentioned effort to improve PhilHealth's responsiveness. Please know that PhilHealth will always stand with our members, especially in their time of need. So ayun, medyo good news mga kachaw. Sumagot si PhilHealth at sinabing magbibigay daw ng support dito sa may bahay nung kanilang member na naghuhulog for 25 years. Buti naman, kahit ganun yung sinabi ni PhilHealth, may mga syempre nag-post pa rin ng mga negative comments. Like, kung hindi nag-viral, thank you na lang. The power of social media, etc. etc. Meaning, kumbaga parang kung hindi nag-post tong si ma'am, ibig sabihin hindi na sila makakakuha ng PhilHealth. And parang most probably totoo nga naman. Buti na lang nag-post si Bang at nag-viral. thank you po, PhilHealth, sumagot kayo, no? At tutulong pa rin sa kahit dininay na yung eligibility ng inyong member. Now, to be fair naman sa PhilHealth mga kachaw, I've been a PhilHealth member since 2008 and sa lahat naman ng hospitalization ng aking mahal sa buhay, katulad nung 3 beses ng anak yung misis ko, mga pag na-hospital yung mga anak ko before, nakakuha naman ako ng benefit nang walang problema. So yun nga, ang huling-huling gamit namin ng aming PhilHealth is way back in the year 2022 nung pinanganak yung aking bunso sa La Union. Meron pa ring PhilHealth na natanggap. Kami natanggap kahit papaano. So yun lang on my end, walang naging problema. Siguro sana mga isolated cases lang ito. At sana naman sa mga nakaranas ng ganito, lapit kayo sa PhilHealth at mukhang tutulong naman sila kapag kailangan. Kasi unfair nga naman. Grabe, 25 years na naguhulog yung asawa ni ma'am. Tapos hindi man lang makakuha nung pumanaw sa ospital dahil less than 24 hours lang na ospital. Parang nonsense. Anyway, thank you for watching mga kasya. Kung nagustuhan mo yung episode natin for today, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell. Bigyan mo na rin ako ng thumbs up. At bisitahin mo na yung aking channel para makita mo pa yung iba't iba nating reaction video. So maraming salamat sa panood. Stay safe mga kachaw. Ciao.